Hello everyone, welcome to Virtual Reality Adventure. Today we are going to look at this box, the Oculus Go standalone VR headset. It was one of the first of its kind because it had a mobile system already built inside the headset itself. This was released after the acquisition of the Oculus company by the Facebook, uh, and this headset was one of the first affordable headsets for the consumer market, had a very cheap pricing. As you can see, the box is very well designed. There are some application examples that could be run on this headset. And this side, what's there in the box, there is the headset, the controller, the power adapter, double A battery, and some eyeglass spacer. And in this side you will be able to see some capabilities of the headset. It had high resolution display, some QHD display, built-in immersive audio, web browser, 3D movies and friends kind of. The capabilities that it has some limited capabilities, but what it delivered was kind of an introduction to quality VR for the consumer market, because it was better than all the Samsung Gear VR headsets that needed a separate mobile phone to be placed inside the casing of the headsets, of those kind of things. As you can see, the design here, the packaging, the presentation, everything was great. All-in-one virtual reality headset. So let's look inside the box. The packaging was great, the top covering, and this one is the small box. It had some contents inside, like the headset, or the total components of the box. This had this glass spacer and some cloth, some paperwork and all that. Let's put that aside. This one is the charger, and the one side goes to USB, or this charger adapter here, and this one has the micro USB connection to charge the headset. This one is the controller, and it had a trackpad which clicks, and it has a back button, a Oculus home button, and also a trigger, and it runs with a double A battery. You can see here it also has a kind of holder for your wrist, so you do not throw the controller in some way. And this is the headset itself. There is nothing more in the box. The headset features a very good quality. We have a protector here. We generally use it and make VR contents in our channel. As you can see, the lenses are of good quality. This one has a proximity sensor to sense if you are wearing it or not, because your head is closed like that, it can detect that. So it has microphone here, it has the charging cable, and also a headphone jack. It has audio coming out of the headset if you don't put a headphone here. Also, there is this volume rockers, the power button here, and the Oculus logo, plastic body, and also you could take out the whole padding from here to wash it out like this. Yes, and you could wash this whole thing, because it could get easily dirty because of the sweats and this whole foam. There are many extra separate modules available, like from the company of VR Cover. We didn't purchase any of that for now, because we already moved on with other headsets like the Oculus Quest, the Rift S, and all that. We use it occasionally to generate content for this headset only. There are some screws that can untie to get the look at the internal parts of the headset. We may do that in our future video if you guys ask to look inside the contents of the headset. there's a some kind of sensor here. And I think that's it for this video. We actually just took a small short look into this headset. How to put the covering back, that's very simple. You just push it into the side of it a bit. You need to take some push like that. There you go. And there you go. The covering is now set and it's much comfortable. As you can know, as you already know, that the Oculus Quest 2 has this kind of soft padded cushioning support. It has a straight covering, but it also had a cupping type band, so it's much more comfortable than the current one that is there in Oculus Quest 2. However, we don't have the Quest 2 in our hands. When we have it, we will be comparing it with this Go, how these two bands differ. So stay tuned for our future videos. We'll be running and looking at the component or the different kind of capabilities of this headset later on our videos. So that's it for now. Please subscribe our channel if you want to enjoy such contents in the future. Also like, share and comment to support us. Have a great day. Thank you.